Hi guys, now baby is speaking, and this is the tablet. It has two, yes, yes. Then we will open my. So we will go to application. We have the chapter one. Okay, okay. Let's play chapter one. Actually, this volume is so little this. It's called Devil's February when wet. So the meaning to but to so then we go on the click the here and to so if you will want to close it, you will push this button just like this. Then when you see this, you will click OK. Okay. But I will not shut down. So let's play another page. This is tablet picture. This is my violin. Okay. So I will just put it on. Wait a minute. Okay. It's finished. So after putting it on, this is new. Okay. So now just so we will this button to play something. I have Angry Birds Rio, Angry Birds Seasons, Angry Birds Space, Angry Birds Star Wars, and Smasher, Bad Piggies, Basketball, Bible, Bubble Shoot, Candy Crush Saga, Cat Rope, HD Death Racing, Diamond Dash, Drag Racing, Fruit Ninja, Gingerbread Run, then Move the Box, Paper Toss, Pool Master Pro, Racing Moto, Subway Surf, Talking Tom, Temple Run 2, Tetris, Where's My Water, and You Ninja Class. I have so many games. I will play Talking Tom. Talking Tom. Hello, I'm Talking Tom. I'm so cute. Ooh. Hello, this is Talking Tom and you will want to subscribe. Want to subscribe here in my channel. I am so cute. So you can tap it in his and shut his face. After we go to home and do like that again, finish.